Charlie here. What's up, everybody? Look at that beauty over there. That's where we are headed. It looks like no one else is here. Awesome. Let's go catch some fish, y'all. All I got is one rod and reel. I'm gonna be using some jigs, really small jigs for crappie and sand bass. Spillway is open, and let's see if I can catch some. All right, y'all, first fish, snag that gar right there. You see him? Spotted gar. Can snag that sucker. All right, y'all, there was nothing down there. Nothing happened. There's another drum. Man, I need to collect those suckers so it came out. But water's kicking. Water is kicking. See, I'm gonna try it up here, see what happens. All right, y'all, got something huge. Oh, it's going in the current. Oh, he ran right into the current. Oh my, right into the current, y'all. Look at that. Oh, it came off. No, he's on there. Oh Lord, oh, it came off. No, he's still on it. Oh Lord. Now he's out of the current. Whoa, y'all. Look at it. Woo. He's gonna spool me. Whoa, he's steadily going up. Woo! I'm gonna get spooled, y'all. See if I can bring him to the left. He's doing what he wants to do. Came off. Whew, that's better than getting spooled. I'll take it. Wow, that was freaking awesome, y'all. Let's do it again. I think it was probably a gar. Woo! Oh, I left the jig head. Wow. Oh, I bent that hook. Man, nice. Well, yeah, we're hooked on something, but we're hooked on something that's taking me to the current over here. There it goes. Probably a gar. Oh, there it goes. I think there's gar down there or something. They keep grabbing my bait. It looks like it's tore up. Yep. There's no slime, so it's not a catfish. All right, y'all, got another. Oh, that's a big old buffalo. Look at that. He got hooked right in the lip. Big old buffalo, y'all. Look at that. I need to go somehow land them. I could use some buffaloes for bait. Here it is, y'all. Can y'all see him? Try to get him out of the current this way, baby. Only got 8-pound test line, so. Oh no! Turn your head, turn your head, turn your head. There you go, this way. Gotta turn his head. There you go, this way. Turn his head this way. Heck yeah. Them suckers are hungry. Look at that. He ate that white one. I'm by myself, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. I want to get the jig back, but let's see if I can bring him this way, y'all. Hey brother, can you give me a hand? We got someone coming up here. We'll see if he helps me out. What's going on? Hey, would you mind giving me a hand? And or hold this. I'll go down there. Either way. I appreciate you.
Man, I ain't never saw it, the gate open ever.
Really? Woo! You should have seen it in 2015.
Yeah?
The water was up there.
Oh, damn.
Like the news crews and everybody were up there. Look.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the water was way up here.
What the hell?
Yeah, can you hold? I just got a buffalo down there.
Whoa!
All right. Yeah, he's a nice one. Huh? Yeah, he's been trying that. The drag's perfect. I let him go a little bit, then I bring him back. I appreciate your help. All right, y'all. Head out there to try to get this bad boy. You can see him here. Try to get him down. Yeah, he's been doing that like crazy. He's got some fight in him, I ain't gonna lie. All right. Let's see how close I can get without breaking the ankle. Yeah, that'd be perfect right there. See if he don't try to take off on me.
You don't want to open his gills up.
Yeah, he's like being stubborn. All right, appreciate you. Whew. Ooh, I'm too old to be on these rocks. There, yeah, we got. Whoa, yeah, he's going into the current, so that's a buffalo probably. Let's see, he's riding the current, y'all. Look at that. See if he comes up here shortly. I should have brought that catfish gear though. Yeah, it's only 8-pound test line too. Let's see. Yep, another buffalo. Oh, that's a drum, big old drum. See that sucker? Woo! Yeah, that's a nice drum, y'all. That's a nice drum.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, brother, if you don't mind, I apologize. Let me bring him over first.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll swing him first. That's a nice drum. What's up? Just a buffalo, that's it. That's a big boy right there though. I appreciate you, brother. I'll be faster this time. Check it out, y'all. That's a big old drum. Whoa. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. He snapped the line with the jig. Nah, he gone. That was me. I let go of his lip.
But he snapped it.
Yeah, he took the jig. Now y'all gonna go at it again. Fortunately, that beautiful drum snapped off, but check it out. We're rigged up again. I got about the same colors. And I'm just gonna drag this wall right here. See what we can catch. Yeah, he's heavy. Whatever it is. Yeah. Whoa. There he goes. Nice. I'm glad he came this way.
Yeah, it's like
For real. It's like a buffalo. Come on, baby. Be a big old drum or a buffalo. Get you out of the water. He's coming at you. He's right here. He's right in front of you. It's a buffalo, right? Yeah. Big old buffalo. He just crossed over. Damn. Got to see his little tail, y'all. Please don't spool me. They snagged.
buffalo.
Yeah. He's snagged. Look at him. Well, I don't know. Looks like it's on his mouth.
Let him run then. He'll get out of there.
Yep. There he goes. Come that way, baby.
Straight garbage.
I know. Come on, baby. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Here we go. Get out of that current. Oh, dang. Get out of that current. That's a big buffalo, y'all. There he goes. Ooh. Yeah, I know. I think he's. Looks like he chomped down on it.
Yeah. That's a second one.
Yeah, the other one like ripped his lip through. Fought him for so long.
Yeah, he's pretty short too. He been eating good.
Come on, baby. Turn your head this way. Turn. Oh!
Yeah, pop it.
And like he hits that little walkway and he turns around.
What fish line is that?
8. 8 pound. It's braid, but. Oh, my head. I would have.
Come up now.
Nope. He'll get tired and sick. Trying to get him out of that current. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Nice.
Oh, no. He's snagged up. Damn, I wish he would come on down because he's foul hooked. Oh. Come on, baby. Let the hook come on.
What's up? Let's go, I'm ready. I know. You catching them? Why would you just get out of here? You know, cut my little size. What was that, about a pound of that? Yeah? I seen your truck. I was like, man, let me go see it out there. And you go, what you got down here, catfish?
Nab, a snag buffalo.
Ooh. Knocked the ribs off that thing.
For real. I appreciate you. Let me go grab him. Check it out, y'all. Beautiful buffalo. Fortunately, I cannot keep him because he was foul hooked in the eye. Bye. Bye, Felicia. But there's 2 drum in here I can't keep. Alright, y'all, it is a wrap for me. I came for a few hours after work. I was hoping to hit some sandies and some crappies, but only one person caught one crappie. But I did land 2 buffaloes. One was foul hooked, so I let him go. Kept the other one and lost a really beautiful drum, but man, I just like couldn't grab it in time and he just snapped the line. The gentleman was helping me upstairs. But check this out. We got a big old beautiful buffalo there for bait. Actually, everything right here you see is bait. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drums. So the drums are actually floating out of the spillway, and if they get beat up and kind of die, so you can just walk around and grab them. So as always, be safe. We'll see you on the water.